Imagine a network of invisible highways crisscrossing the world's oceans, carrying over 95% of international data. Yes, welcome to the world of undersea cables, where geopolitics meets technology. Satellite communications, 5G, internet, fiber optic cables, and Wi-Fi have completely changed how people share information and connect globally. Do you know these cables facilitates approximately $10 trillion in financial transactions every day? Do you know these cables facilitate approximately $10 trillion in financial transactions every day? Vast amount of sensitive information that support everything international trade to military activities as well. Despite playing such a vital role in our daily lives, undersea cables hardly get any attention unless something goes wrong. A recent example is cutting of the peace, Pakistan and East Africa connecting Europe cable in the Red Sea, which disrupted internet access in some parts of East Africa. Reminds us a single disruption and its profound impact on economies. Well, in the global communication landscape of 21st century, underwater cables are a valuable commodity. Pakistan is taking a strategic position and emerging a key hub in the global network situated in the middle of Central Asia, Middle East, and South Asia. It is quickly becoming a key player in the global undersea networks. Let's explore with me several significant initiatives and collaborations that strengthen Pakistan's position. Pakistan's position in global connectivity, highlighting its development. Number 1. Peace Cable. Pakistan and East Africa connecting Europe. In 2022, a 15,000-kilometer route connecting Pakistan and East Africa to Europe opened from Pakistan to France, extended 6,500 km from Pakistan to Singapore, with a main trunk landing in Singapore, Pakistan, Kenya, Egypt, and France, and the branches to the Maldives, Malta, Cyprus, and other places. To meet the increasing demands, Peace Cable System is built with the newest 200 grams transmission technology, WSS ROAD and BU. WSS stands for Wavelength Selective Switch and ROAD stands for Reconfigurable Optical Add Drop Multiplexer, and BU for Branching Unit, which can send more than 16 terabits per second fiber pair. The second one is TW1. Pakistan, Oman, and United Arab Emirates are all connected by 1300 kilometer long cable which can handle 1.28 terabits per second and uses dense wavelength division multiplexing technology with the two-pair fibers. Transferred via Huawei Marine in 2016 to extend the TW1 cable system by hundreds to gigabits per second wavelengths. The third one is AAE1. Launched in 2017, the 25,000 kilometer Asia, Africa, Europe one submarine cable connects Hong Kong, Vietnam, Cambodia, Malaysia, Singapore, Middle East, India, Pakistan, Italy, Greece, and France. It has the capacity of more than 40 terabits per second on 5 fiber pairs. Now coming towards the friendly cable network, Pakistan-China fiber optic cable. The 820 km underground Pak-China fiber optic cable links Rawalpindi to Chinese borders at Punjab Pass is supported by a 172 km aerial cable. Port Gwadar, Balochistan, a major hub in China's infrastructure-driven investment in the South Asian nation with over $50 billion, known as the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC), is anticipated to be connected to the project in this second phase. Pakistan is changing its global ecosystem by hosting important nodes like Peace, TW1 and AAE1 and working on initiatives like Pak-China Optic Cable, transforming its standing in the global digital ecosystem. Cables are becoming as strategically important as oil pipelines and trade routes, and Pakistan stands to significantly benefit from its standing as a clear contender in the battle of regional data infrastructures and a secured, intentionally trusted location. Moreover, Pakistan is also cooperating with Starlink, which is a satellite-based internet service, to lessen the dependency of the undersea cables and strengthen the network. For more information, keep watching Suno Pakhtunkhwa.